to the day that I drop. You'll never say that I'm not killing them, cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal